Hello there. Do you want to make money by doing surveys and watching videos like the way I am doing it in this video? Then this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an app that pays you to watch videos and do surveys. It's very easy. Just stick to the end of the video and you're going to understand how it works. Okay, so I'm watching a video right now, and as you can see, it's showing Crypto Guru Trading Simulator. Once I finish watching the video, they're gonna give me a certain amount of money once the timer ends. So I'm gonna click on cancel. As you can see, the countdown has begun. Once the countdown ends, it should give me something. So okay, the countdown has begun. As you can see, it's loading. My network is bad, so they might actually not give me anything. So slow down. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for the video. I'm just gonna bench that. So this is a place where you can do tasks like Microtasks, like make a video. All you just have to do is make the video, then submit it on a particular platform. Right now is Instagram. Just put the link and submit it. And there are also other tasks like this one, testing an application, as you can see. So that is the instruction. You go to the website, download the app, test the app for about 10 minutes, then post the attached file, maybe screenshot or something like that. So it's pretty easy to earn on this. Then there's another tax that is Temu. You can just sign up for Temu affiliate link, then you get paid for it. It's not that. So this is another one. Be a social media follower. This is also a micro task. All you just have to do is follow those perks and submit the link or screenshots. Be a follower. Okay, you can follow them on Instagram and submit. Then we also have this is also related, but this one is TikTok. You follow the instructions and you attach a file. That's the screenshot that shows that you've done the task, because if you don't submit the screenshots, they are not going to acknowledge it and give you your money. Okay, so as you can see, this is the interface of the work. So now I'm going to be showing you guys this one means the tasks I have not done, because I have to reach a particular milestone before I can do these tasks. Like this one, as you can see, it's not available yet. I have to have $1 before I can do this particular task. So let me click on the other one. This one is also saying it's not available yet. I have to have $1 before I can start doing them. Okay, this one is also not available. I have to have $10. Okay, just gonna scroll up. Then okay, I have to have $5 before I can do this. So we just bench that to make more money. So I go over to the pending. I have no tax pending for checking. So I go to this. As you can see, these are the two micro tax that I've done, and they've given me the money for it. It's on my dashboard. So we're gonna go back to this place. You can see we can also scan receipts to make money. Then we're gonna go back to watch videos again, and I'm gonna show you guys. You can see it's not hard. You also play games. Just click on any of it, then you see the games that you're supposed to play. As you can see, it's going to direct. Okay, so it's loading right now. Play games. The network is a bit bad, so as you can see, there are so many tasks here. 34 credits, review. Here you just have to download an app, maybe play it a particular position. There's also software available over there, so you just have to do it that way. Maybe you download an app, as you can see. Play games. You click on another one. You're waiting for it to load. As you can see these apps. You can see the amount of points. So if you can successfully finish one of the tasks, then you'll be given the points. So I'm going to be using one as an example, like this one right here. As you can see, those are the all steps that they say you must follow. You must open the app, reach EXP level 3, reach EXP level 5. Then download the app itself. Then if you want to do, just click on proceed to offer. Then you have to do those things that I say you should do. Then you submit the screenshots. So I'm going to click on the link. As you can see, the limit has been reached. That this many people have done that task today. So I'm going to go back to the app. Okay, go back to the app. As you can see, okay. Now I'm going to click on surface. So you can see that they also offer surface services. They also do surface too. Okay. Maybe I should try doing a surface so that you guys can see how it works. As you can see, Now these are the available surface. 6 points, 504, 180 points, 5,496. Just complete your profile, click on yes. Continue thing. Okay. Complete your profile. Put your month, your year. You know what to do here. You know what to do over here. So male, put your gender. Just follow this one. I did it over here. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, I put my answer. You push that code. Click on continue. Okay. What's your current employment status? I'm a student. Click on continue. Okay. What am I gonna pick here? Let's pick none of the above because I'm a student. So right now, I think for the following best description, yes, that should be education because I'm a student. Yeah, I should be a student. Okay, I should be students. Now let's click on education. Yeah, let's click on education. Now click on continue. Okay, now click on continue again. Complete your profile. Okay, I don't know. Yes. Okay, just click on none of the above if you don't have a kid, or if there's another option there that applies to you, just click on it. Okay. Okay, which department do you currently work in the organization? I don't work. Yeah. So I won't qualify for this because I didn't feel that this service is probably for people that work, so I'm not gonna qualify for it. So now I'm just gonna go back to the main dashboard. So I'm gonna wrap in this video. So for those who are interested in joining this platform, the referral link will be in the description box. Do not forget to check it out and make sure you watch this video to the end, because if you don't watch it to the end, you're gonna miss a lot. This is online shopping. I forgot to mention you can also do online shopping in the app and make money while you're at it. Those of you that that do shopping without getting paid for it, this is your chance. So the more you sign in every day, they give you daily streaks. As you can see, I'm showing one over here on my profile. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.